Hi, I'm Pankil Priya. I have passion of teaching business studies. I eat, drink, sleep and love to teach business studies all the time. So I have experience of 20 years and I would like to teach the same to my students. This is an introduction to video to myself, and here I am to tell you that I have been teaching CBSE, ISC, IGCSE as well as college students, which has been one-to-one interaction as well as in the group. And I have some special techniques with which I teach my subject. That is, I use the technique of making acronyms, which are called short forms, and then I have also a technique of making brief notes, that is pointers. Sometimes I also use synopsis techniques and mind map techniques to teach business studies, which can be very enriching and a very enhanced experience for the students. In case if you are interested, or if you have any kind of interest, you're welcome to switch into my YouTube channel. In case if you're not interested, be interested. For your doubts, queries, suggestion, welcome to my email ID, which I've given here in the link below. Thank you and have a good day.